Ladies and gentlemen, today I am here to talk about a country that has captivated the hearts of millions. England, an island with a rich history, stunning landscapes, and a culture that has inspired artists and footballers for centuries. England is truly incredible. From the magnificent chalk cliffs of Canterbury to the serene beauty of the Lake District, England's natural wonders are a sight to behold. The Isle of Wight, with its sandy beaches and rocky shores, invites you to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The Lake District, with its majestic mountains, beautiful lakes, and enchanting forests, is the perfect place for hikers and nature lovers alike. England's history is as fascinating as its natural beauty. From the ancient Roman ruins of Stonehenge to the medieval castles of Shropshire, the country boasts a wealth of historical sites that are well worth a visit. The London Stock Exchange, which has seen the rise and fall of countless empires, is a testament to the country's rich past. England's football culture is another reason why the country is so incredible. From the legendary footballers of the Manchester United era to the modern-day heroes of Liverpool and Manchester City, the English national team has always been a force to be reckoned with on the pitch. The World Cup final in 2019 was a perfect example of the unity and passion that the sport inspires among the people of England. In conclusion, England is incredible for its stunning natural beauty, rich history, fascinating culture, and the incredible football culture it enjoys. From the countryside to the cities, there is something for everyone in this enchanting country. So, let's raise a toast to the incredible England.